Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable webcam or camera on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to disable webcam or camera on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Click on Apps, click on Apps and Features or Installed Apps. In this, you need to find camera. Just click on this three dot, click on Advanced option. Here you can see under App Permissions, you will find camera. It is on. You just need to disable this option. This was the step 1, and the second method is you just need to click on Start menu, then type here gp edit. .msc. Just expand this one. This you can see. In this you can see administrative templates under computer configuration. Just double click on that and click on Windows component. Double click on that. After that, in right side you will find camera. Double click on that. In this you can see allow use of camera. You need to double click on that. Here you can see it is selected as not configured. You just need to click on disable, click on apply, then click OK and close this window. This was the second method. And the third and final method is you just need to open the device manager. For that you just need to right click on Start menu. In this you can see here camera. In some of the laptops or desktops you will find imaging device, not desktop, only in laptops you can find imaging device. You just need to double click on that and you need to select your camera, right click on that and click on disable device. Click on yes and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable webcam or camera in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.